Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently I have been craving to draw a burn sketch. We went to a beautiful restaurant called Sea Breeze near Shore Temple. The view was amazing. All I want is to just paint it. Starting off, I just did the rough sketch by marking out the composition of sky, water, and the land. Once the sketch is done, I took my watercolor and start building the color blocks. And then finally a liner to finish off the painting. And this is the final look. This is my first time to draw a live urban sketch. I was very nervous, but I'm glad that I have made it. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you all in next week. Bye.